Welcome to Wickerson Studios late on a Friday night, and I'm just going to put in testing here. This is probably going to disappear as I get into these scripts, but tonight I've been looking forward to it all week, except now I'm too darn tired to do it. I'll probably do it again tomorrow morning or continue it. But what I want to do is look at our more advanced tier of Patreon that I'm offering, but I'm still going to start incredibly basic. So although I have some scripts here about learning Python, I'd like to get through all of them. There's nothing really too complex in here, not even complex like just writing a simple math sphere node that uses a little sign and importing math. So this is a nice use of the hops node to start entering the 3DM geometries. The other thing I'm not doing is, as I advance, actually probably not that script, I should go here. As I learn Rhino from Grashopper, you'll see I'm building a script like this, but even though I'm building that in my other first tier from the curve menu of Rhino, in time you're going to find that you're going to want to go to the Rhino 3DM API and create it. But the farther you go into that, the more chances you're going to be of wanting to use the hops server. So I put those in blue here. So we'll try and get through all of this, and I've got so much work to bring to the public and open source. I'm pretty excited about it. One second. Without getting too crazy about all of this and just starting with a simple Python, I'm going to start over here. And we did this. We actually started it already. So we started in Nodes, a Flask server off of the Github page. I've left a couple of items running here. The binary multiplier that McNeil's provides. I've commented out a few of the other ones. And then I've talked about things of why you might want to learn Python, and I've listed a few things here, and I've tried to pair these app PYs with some GH files. So you literally only need two files. You need the master file of GH if you want to see things up and running, and you certainly need the app. And we're going to be using GitHub Copilot, so things are going to fly pretty fast. So what we did last time, we went in here and wrote the hello one right here, and we ran it down here with F5, and with any luck we can get it to debug with the Flask server, and hopefully it's up and running. Let me cancel out of that. Actually, I'm not in. I might have closed my PowerShell. I don't think I did. Something seems a little different. No, everything's up and running. What did I do to alter this? I should be able to clear. Oops. This is just the nightmare of being late at night on the weekend, and that's not exactly where I want to be exactly. So give me a second. I have to take a little break here, figure it out. One sec.